If you're looking for a mobility scooter that's built to last, packed with upgrades, and backed by the best warranty in the industry, look no further than Afikim electric vehicles. These scooters are legendary for their durability, comfort, and premium design. And I'm speaking from experience here. I own an Afikim S4 myself, and it's lasted me years without ever needing a single repair or maintenance issue. That's the kind of quality that you can count on. Every Afikim scooter is built to meet the highest global standards for safety and reliability. These are heavy-duty, road-tested, medical-grade scooters, not your average scooter. And I don't just use mine on sidewalks. I torture test my Afikim every single day on my farm. I ride it through mud, rain, gravel, dirt, and even up super steep inclines. I even towed a trailer with it. If you're wondering about durability, trust me, this scooter can handle extreme terrain without flinching. And it's backed by an industry-leading 3-year in-home repair plan, so you can ride with total peace of mind. Afikim offers a lineup of powerful scooters, each one designed for different lifestyles and environments. First up, the S Model. This is the flagship, a rugged all-terrain scooter available in both 3-wheel and 4-wheel configurations. You get full suspension, an adjustable captain seat, and top-tier outdoor performance. Perfect for rural areas, neighborhood cruising, and exploring off the beaten path. Next is the C Model, a more compact version that's ideal for daily use, tighter spaces, and indoor comfort. And just like the S, it comes with both 3- and 4-wheel setups, giving you more flexibility based on your turning radius and terrain needs. Then there's the SE Model, a classic 3-wheel cruiser with a vintage motorcycle design, handlebars instead of a tiller, and serious curb appeal. And finally, the Solar S Model, featuring a built-in solar canopy that helps recharge your battery using the power of the sun. Only Afikim offers something like this, and it's one of a kind. One of the biggest reasons people love Afikim? Customization. No other scooter brand gives you this many factory upgrade options. You can upgrade to have extra wide golf tires, a foot pedal throttle that feels like a car, dual seat upgrade so you can ride with a friend or a partner, a full enclosure canopy for all-weather protection, a high-speed motor upgrade for extra zip, and a range of stylish color options to suit your personality. This isn't just a scooter, it's a fully personalized mobility vehicle. At Mobility Direct, we're proud to be the #1 volume dealer for Afikim in the USA. That means we offer the best prices, guaranteed, period. Plus, you get free shipping, no sales tax, and a non-commissioned experienced team that truly knows these products inside and out. We're not just a store, we're scooter owners too. And we're here to make sure you get the right model, the right upgrades, and long-term support that you can trust. Want to compare models at your own pace? We've got you covered with a free printed catalog you can request anytime. And right now, for a limited time, we're offering a special coupon code that's valid through the end of this month. Give us a call with the number below or send an email to sales@mobilitydirect.com to claim your coupon code and to save big on your next order. But hurry, once the month ends, this deal is gone. Ready to upgrade your ride with the most trusted name in mobility? Give us a call or visit us online today at mobilitydirect.com. Real people, real service, the best mobility products on the market.